When the government threatens to terminate benefits, what constitutional protections do citizens have? Today, we'll explore the landmark cases and legal arguments that define due process rights in benefit termination. The strongest constitutional argument rests on the 14th Amendment's Due Process Clause, which requires that no state shall deprive any person of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. This clause becomes crucial when government benefits are at stake, as courts have recognized these benefits as more than mere privileges. The landmark case Goldberg v. Kelly established in 1970 that welfare benefits create a property interest protected by the Constitution. This revolutionary ruling transformed how we view government benefits, establishing them as statutory entitlements rather than mere government charity. Goldberg v. Kelly ruled that the Due Process Clause requires an evidentiary hearing before recipients of certain government welfare benefits can be deprived of such benefits. The court held that benefits are a matter of statutory entitlement for qualified persons, and procedural due process applies to their termination. Matthews v. Eldridge in 1976 established the three-factor balancing test: the private interest affected, the risk of erroneous deprivation, and the government's administrative burden. Cleveland Board v. Loudermill extended these protections to government employment, reinforcing that property interests in government benefits require procedural safeguards. Recent litigation continues this trend. Alabama residents have filed lawsuits under Section 1983, alleging that COVID-19 unemployment benefit handling violated their constitutional due process rights. California's sanctuary jurisdiction policies operate under 10th Amendment principles, the anti-commandeering doctrine, and equal protection guarantees. These include the Trust Act, Truth Act, and California Values Act, all designed to protect due process regardless of immigration status. Constitutional challenges should focus on three key areas: procedural due process violations, substantive due process concerns, and equal protection issues. Litigation avenues include Section 1983, civil rights actions, Administrative Procedure Act challenges, and direct constitutional challenges in federal court. The strongest constitutional argument remains grounded in Goldberg v. Kelly's establishment that government benefits create property interests requiring due process protection before termination. Any systematic benefit termination without proper procedural safeguards faces serious constitutional scrutiny under established precedent.